Okay, I am frustrated beyond all belief with Cloudflare. I simply want to cancel everything that I have to do with Cloudflare just simply because it's so freaking irritating dealing with this company. So, I come here, as you can see, I don't have any websites on here. I want to cancel my account. So I come up and I go to billing. I go to billing and you see where it's charged me every month. My website was canceled either November or December last month. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, $120 they've charged me since then. And I've tried for months to cancel this account. These guys are idiots. These guys are morons. Whoever designed this should be shot because they're such an idiot. So what we come here to is go to subscriptions. Okay. They say, well, just go to your subscription and delete your subscription or cancel your subscription plan. I come to subscription. I hit edit. Guess what? It does nothing at all. I hit it again. It does nothing. I'll go up, I'll refresh the page. I'll come down, I'll hit edit again. It does nothing. Now, when you come down here to contact sales or support, and you contact sales, oh, we can't help you. You have to get that done through support. When you hit support, they tell you, oh, well, you got to go to the you got to go to the support on the website. So you go here and you hit help center, and then cancel account. Nothing there that says how to cancel account. Account level custom pages, how to set up multi-user account, everything like that. So let me hit enter. Nothing there. So no, you're not helpful. Ask the community. So I go and I ask the community. Oh, so it's like, okay, well, what do they do? How the hell do I cancel my account? It does not allow me to delete my subscription. This is a bunch of shit. How many companies get a bad fracking name? I simply want to cancel my account, and I can't. I did a research on here, and the instructions do not work. I call support, and it pushes me back to community. Does anyone know how to get rid of my account so it stops charging me $20 every freaking month? So now we get this guy here. You can cancel your paid services on the subscriptions page. And you can completely remove websites from your account by changing the name servers back to the default ones in your registrar. Okay, well, let's see how helpful this is. So I hit the subscriptions page. Oh, I'm right back to where I was before. And let me hit edit. Oh, I can't hit edit. Is there any other way to do anything here? No, I can't. And then if I go to payment method, and I try to delete the payment method, it says I can't because I have a subscription. This is fucked up. Sorry for the language, but it's fucked up. So please, Cloudflare, respond to me. Thank you.